Across the vast plains of Africa and the forests of Asia lives the largest land animal on Earth, the elephant. They are not just powerful, but deeply intelligent and emotional beings. This is their story. An adult African elephant can weigh up to 6 tons, towering over most animals. Yet, despite their size, elephants are gentle giants. Their trunk has over 40,000 muscles, strong enough to uproot a tree, and delicate enough to pick up a single fruit. They can spend up to 16 hours a day eating, consuming nearly 150 kilograms of food. And when thirsty, they drink up to 50 gallons of water in a single day. Elephants are excellent swimmers, using their trunk as a snorkel. They live in close family groups led by wise matriarchs. Mothers nurture their calves with love and protection. Young elephants are playful, learning life through games. Elephants communicate with trumpets and low rumbles that travel kilometers. They comfort each other in times of stress. Elephants mourn their dead, returning to the bones years later. Their memory is legendary. They remember paths, water holes, and even faces for decades. Tusks are used for digging, stripping bark, and defense, but also make elephants targets for poachers. Africa's elephants are larger with bigger ears. Asia's are smaller with rounded ears. If you're fascinated by the wonders of our planet and want to discover more wildlife journeys like this, join us on GeoNetHub. From the savannas of Africa to the deepest oceans, we bring nature's stories closer to you. Subscribe now and be part of the adventure. Some elephants live deep in rainforests, shaping entire ecosystems. Others adapt to deserts, walking miles in search of water. They can live up to 70 years, guided by the knowledge of elders. By knocking down trees and digging water holes, they shape the land for countless other species. At night, elephants move silently under starlit skies. They can sense approaching storms from miles away. A newborn elephant can weigh 100 kilograms, yet struggles to stand on its first day. Young ones learn survival by watching their mothers and aunts. When threatened, elephants form a protective circle around calves. In many cultures, elephants symbolize wisdom, strength, and peace. But today, elephants face threats from poaching and shrinking habitats. Conservationists worldwide work tirelessly to protect them. Where elephants thrive, nature flourishes. They carry the memory of the earth itself, passed through generations. Family is everything to elephants, and perhaps to us too. Majestic, intelligent, and irreplaceable. The guardians of the wild. Protect them, and we protect the soul of our planet.